Hello guys, in this session I will be covering 2 points: need of security in IoT and security challenges for IoT. Let's discuss upon need of security in IoT. IoT security is the technology area concerned with safeguarding connected devices and networks in the Internet of Things. As we all know that Internet of Things, that is IoT, has become ubiquitous term to describe the terms tens of billions of devices that have sensing or actuation capability and are connected to each other via the internet. The IoT includes everything from wearable fitness bands, smart home appliances, factory control devices, medical devices, and even automobiles. Security has not been a high priority for these devices until now. Now it's time to establish Internet of Secure Things. There has been a lot of discussion regarding the hacking of devices and systems to obtain information and data. However, just as critical, a cyber attack against the devices themselves. Attacks which take over control of the devices and cause them to operate in a dangerous and insecure way. Unfortunately, many of these systems thought to be safe, they are still vulnerable. For instance, even though industrial automation and critical infrastructure devices are usually installed inside the secure perimeter of an enterprise network, that perimeter is a porous and can be easily pretended or disabled. On the top of that, inside threats, whether malicious or accidental, make up 70% of cyber attacks, and they usually originate inside that perimeter. So it is necessary to secure the things themselves. And also, the most important reason for IoT security is that as we are using almost 90% of the devices which collects personal information such as name, address, date of birth, email, credit cards number, etc. And if we are using unencrypted data, that data will be stored on the cloud or in the format of big data. And if the data is unencrypted, then it becomes hazardous to the privacy of user. That's why need of security is important. Now we will see security challenges for the Internet of Things. Before that, we will consider one question, that is, what is the challenges for implementing the Internet of Secure Things and assuming security for embedded device? The answer of this question is the specialized nature of the different devices present some challenges to them, like critical functionality, replication, security assumption, long life cycle, deployed outside the enterprise security perimeter, and many more. Let's discuss one by one. IoT devices are used to connect everything in the world. In addition to IoT devices, there exist some systems and appliances in a home and embedded devices which are also found controlling the world's transportation infrastructure, the utility grid communication system, and many other capabilities relied upon the modern society. In short, we can say that all IoT devices work in very critical functional environment. Now replication. Second challenge is replication. Once design and production of embedded device is created, then there may be thousands to millions of identical devices are created. If hacker is able to build a successful attack against one of these devices, the attack can be replicated across all the devices as base of the all devices are identical. Security assumption. Many embedded engineers assume that the embedded devices are not targeted by the hackers. These assumptions are based on the outdated assumptions, including the belief in security and obscurity. As a result of this, security is not considered as a critical priority for embedded design. Next, not easily patched. Most embedded devices are not easily upgraded. Once they are deployed, then they will run the software that was installed at the factory. For any remote software, update capability needs to be designed into the device, which allows a security update. Because of this specialized operating system used to build used to build, the embedded device may not have automated capabilities that allow easy updates for the devices. Next, long life cycle. The life cycle for embedded devices is typically much longer than for PCs or consumer devices. Devices may be in the field for 15 or even 20 years.